Sorry, Apple. Unboxing MacBook Pro unboxing. To open this one, I'm gonna turn it on the other side, and this one here. This one also. I'm gonna turn it the other side again and open. Yeah, the magic is here, and let's open it. Oh, really good one. Wow, schwer. I think 1 kilogram, about like this, or maybe less. I wanna see this first. Wow, MacBook Pro. Open here. Nicely packed. Ooh, black one. Nice. Open. Oh yeah. Open. That one. Oh, direct. And here. Hello. Oops. Let's see. Okay. We need Deutsch. Okay, Deutsch.
Drücke die Eingabetaste, um Deutsch als Standardsprache zu verwenden.
Yes, habe ich gemacht. Und genau das. Fortfahren Deutsch. Und Datenschutz. Fortfahren. Okay, anyway. That's it for this one, guys. It's so cool. And vor einem, ich denke, es besser jetzt Backup oder Start Volume. Wir können das später. Wir sagen alle später. No. Anyway, and this is so cool. How cool. This is amazing. So fast and so working really good. I'm gonna ask my husband to do the login because this is actually his laptop, and I just want to open it for you guys to see. This is the latest Apple MacBook on the market at the moment, and voila, it is really fast and high speed, but so far that's the information I get. So anyway, these are MacBook mit deiner Apple App. Okay, you just have to enter your Apple ID here. Apple ID anmelden, and then weiter until you get in, and Wi-Fi is already there. So that's it for this unboxing, and I hope you guys like it. I'm not for the technical actually for this, but I'm gonna show you the next one. We have charger, black charger this time, really good. And of course, likewise, we don't have, I think, a charger. Oh, and this time we have this one, because in my phone that I did in the unboxing, I don't have this one, this plug. Okay, let's open this one. So what is this? Sorry Apple, I have to tear that apart. I don't know why this is so heavy actually. Does anyone know why? So we have here, oh, we have Schwarz. What? This is the first time I've seen a black Apple cable charger. So that's basically it, and yeah, okay, that's it. I hope you guys like it, and I cannot wait to use this one. And yes, that's it. See you. Bye. You're so happy with it.